Let's make a heart shape and add some hot glue on top. These beads need to be locked in place. And done. An exclusive ring, just for me.
A 3D pen can do that way better. First, let's draw a flower like this, but make it double-ended. Give it a sec to dry, and it's ready to wear. Just wrap it around your finger like this. Easy peasy. Now that's what I call a top-tier ring.
Whatever.
So beautiful! I love flowers so much. Oh, hello, gorgeous. Up you go on the blackboard. Just like that. Your turn, everyone. Make a butterfly. Cool. Time to cook. Check out how I catch these colors.
Bad idea. Markers will be better for this task.
Ha! I'm the goat. No. No paint or markers allowed.
What? That's so not fair.
Darn it. But I know exactly what to do. Let's use the 3D pen to trace and fill in this butterfly. Perfect! Now let's move on to the wings. I think green is going to look epic. Add another layer to make sure the wings are sturdy.
Wait, what? Time to show him how it's actually done. Let's use the hot glue gun. This butterfly is going to be way cooler. It's going to have so much more 3D volume this way. Let's make the butterfly itself a bright blue. The antennae too, just like that. There we go. The best butterfly ever. Try beat that.
Huh? Wait, I've got it. First, fill in the rest of the wing. Now let's lift them up and secure them at an angle. This lets the butterfly actually move its wings. You ready to test it, little guy? Go on, fly! Whoa!
Impossible. How did you even do that?
No way!
Darn.
Wow, that is stunning! Looks like he's a fan. You're the winner for sure! Score! Oh, yeah!
I think I have the answer. Wait, what is this monstrosity? Cody!
Relax, it's just a drawing.
It's not funny at all.
It's literally your twin!
Huh? I'll show him that I can prank too. First, let's cut a strip of paper. What? Guess it was nothing. Now, we hide our little paper snake. Wait, why are these scissors opening by themselves? Oh, come on, stop it! Stay closed. Phew, finally. Oh no! My pencil case is ruined! Time to fix this problem for good. Let's use the hot glue gun to cover the tips of the scissors. Do this on both sides, just like that. Now decorate it with some rhinestones. Done! It's like a custom sheath for the scissors. Let's see how you open now. Oh, I almost forgot about the prank. I can't get this box open.
Let me help.
Fine, give it a try.
Ah!
Gotcha! You should have seen your face. Time to eat! Ew! Why is there a strawberry in my noodles? Yuck!
That is so gross! Haha!
How did that even happen? Oh no, I'm late! Okay, that's everything. I gotta run. Ugh, this container is totally useless.
Wait!
What?
Don't throw it out. I have something that can help. Here!
Oh, I see. Just make a few dividers, just like this. Now every food has its own spot. And nothing will get mixed up. So convenient, thanks.
Enjoy!
What about you?
Right, soup time! This looks so good! Let's dig in! Not this either. Where did my spoon go? Where could I have left it? I should have slept instead of binge watching 1, 2, 3, Go. What? Man, I gotta get to school! Looks like I've left it in the kitchen, dang it!
Rough luck. Want an egg?
Yeah, I think that'll work. Let's place the egg like this and start using the 3D pen. Now add vertical strips to the top part, then some horizontal strips, and fill it in completely, just like that. Now attach the handle and secure it. Next, flip the spoon and give it a custom design. Add a little beak and some eyes. That's it, check it out.
Sweet.
Time to test this spoon. Finally!
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks, that hit the spot. Cheers!
All right, make sure to copy down the formulas I'm showing you.
Man, I wish I could type faster. Hey, slow down! Out of battery already? Oh my, how did these cables get so tangled? Oh no, I'm missing all the formulas. Whoa, her laptop's gonna catch fire at that speed. Huh? Wow, that cable holder is so cool. No wonder her laptop is always charged up. Let's try to borrow her charger.
Hands off!
Ouch, that hurt. I have an idea. First, trace these characters with the 3D pen. Just like that. Hey there, minion! Now let's secure our characters to the edge of the desk. I'll add a Super Mario mushroom, and Sonic too. Nice! Finally, I can plug in the charger. That's better. Check this out.
Huh? Oh, wow! Those are so cute and handy. Great job!
Now let's get back to copying.
What? I think I forgot to charge my computer. Sorry.
That's hilarious.
Draw the 3D shapes from the board.
Got it. I'm gonna need a ruler.
Let's get started.
Hey, give me that!
I need it too.
Huh?
Oh no! My ruler!
Man, let me see that.
Huh?
I'll fix it. Huh? Just cover the ruler with some parchment paper, trace the outline with the hot glue gun, and fill it in. Don't leave any empty spots, just like that. Now draw the markings for the ruler. And it's done. Nice. Hey, psst.
What?
Look what I've got.
Oh wow, cool! Now I can get the job done! There we go. Finished. Thanks. Here you go.
Nice. Now it's my turn.
Time's up. Show me your work.
Sure, I'm finished.
Me too. Let's see. Looking good. Bravo! You both get A's.
Oh yeah! Well done, girl! Score! We're the best!